I picked up a small knife and cut a banana stem at its base. Suddenly, I had a wild idea. What if I performed a special surgery on this banana seedling? Would something magical happen? I decided to try it immediately. I flattened the cut surface, then sliced it into 4 segments from the center. It looked like a cross. I used a card to keep the segments separated and gently covered it back up. Then I grabbed an egg from the kitchen, cracked it open gently, mixed it with clean water, diluted the nutrients inside. Days passed by, and before I knew it, 20 days flew by. 4 tiny shoots actually sprouted from the base. It truly felt like a miracle of life. I didn't even need a shovel to dig them out. Time to give these baby plants a new home. I removed the card separators, then cut along the previous splits, divided the plant into 4 pieces. Now I had 4 separate banana seedlings, each with its own roots. I was beyond excited. Then I fetched some fresh loamy soil, sifted it to remove large chunks, added peanut shells for aeration, poured them in, mixed in carbonized rice husks to improve soil texture, added those too, used airy forest soil as the base, mixed with leftover vegetable scraps, no synthetic organic matter involved, made a big compost blend, piled it all together, mixed thoroughly into one rich soil. I quickly grabbed 4 beautiful pots, filled the bottom with coarse gravel, then added the mixed nutritious soil. The pots should be at least 25 centimeters wide. Then transplanted each banana shoot. I pressed down the soil gently, kept planting depth the same as before. The roots would naturally grow downward. Watered them moderately. Fast forward to day 40. The banana seedlings survived and thrived. They grew so much bigger than before. Then I brought out the fertilizer made from fermented leftover vegetables, poured out 2 cups and added to the pots, diluted slightly with water, poured all in at once. Fermented kitchen water is rich in nutrients. It supports plant growth, perfect for all stages of development. On day 70, I brought them back outside, loosened the soil for them first. Want to try it yourself? It's surprisingly satisfying. To help these hope-filled banana plants fruit faster, I borrowed dried cow dung from a neighbor, spread a thick layer next to each plant. They'd even look nice indoors with a pretty pot. Not just cow dung, I also used fermented liquid fertilizer. Poured it over the cow dung, the nutrients slowly seep into the soil. I hope to eat homegrown bananas next year.